friends, welcome to our channel ZEENA'S Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and of course don't miss the bell icon. Today we will make healthy vitamin C soup full of protein which will boost your immunity and fight against health issues. This soup is very easy to make with very few ingredients which is very easily available in your kitchen, and each ingredients are rich sources of vitamin C and protein. I'm sure end of this video you will know how energetic and immunity boosting this soup is. So let's quickly start making this immunity boosting soup.
more recipes, please visit my website www.zeenapawar.com.
So, thank you friends. I wish you try this recipe and reply how was it. If you like this recipe, then please like my video. Also, please subscribe my channel to support me and in order to get regular notifications. Friends, please share my video to all your near and dear ones and do request them to subscribe my channel. To subscribe, please don't forget to press subscribe button which is just below my video. Bye friends, see you next video.